The process begins in the lush coconut groves, where the ripest coconuts are carefully selected for harvest. Once harvested, the coconuts are carefully gathered and prepared for the next stage of processing. The truck makes its way from the coconut farm, heading toward the main processing facility for the next stages of production. As the truck continues its journey, it heads toward the heart of the operation, where the coconut will undergo its transformation. Upon arrival, the truck enters the facility, ready to deliver the shredded coconut to the next phase of production. The harvested coconuts are carefully transported to the factory, where they will undergo the first stages of processing. Once at the facility, the coconuts are swiftly unloaded and moved inside, ready for cleaning and sorting. The first step in the factory involves cleaning the coconuts, ensuring they are free from dirt and impurities. The coconuts are then sorted by size, ensuring that each one moves on to the appropriate next stage in the process. The coconut products are sorted into categories, ensuring each one is properly prepared for its next stage.
Okay, that's the last of them. Ready to start?
From any dirt or contaminants before further processing.
All right, load them in. Setting the cycle now.
Next, the coconuts are cracked open, and the precious coconut water is carefully extracted. Inside the cleaning machine, the coconuts are washed thoroughly, ensuring they're ready for the sorting stage. Once sorted, the coconut pieces are transported to the next phase of processing, where they will be prepared for shredding. After cleaning, the coconut pieces are sorted based on size and quality, ready to move forward in the process. The coconut pieces are then shredded, turning them into fine coconut shreds ready for drying. With the coconut products sorted, they are fed into the shredder, where they will be broken down further.
Hopper's full.
With the shell removed, the coconut flesh is collected for further processing, ready to be transformed into various coconut products. The shredded coconut is carefully spread on drying trays, ready for the drying process to remove excess moisture. The shredded coconut is carefully spread across drying trays, ready to undergo the final drying process. The shredded coconut is evenly spread on drying trays, ready for the final step in the drying process. In this stage, the coconut is further processed into finer shreds, prepared for its final form. The shredded coconut is then processed further, ready to be dried and prepared for packaging. Finally, the shredded coconut is dried to perfection, ready for the next stage in the coconut processing journey. The shredded coconut undergoes a final inspection, ensuring only the highest quality moves forward for packaging.
Okay, last one.
The shredded
Three.
as it is unloaded and transported to the next stage of the factory.
All right, load them up. Stack them tight. That's the last one.
The factory stands as a massive hub of activity, where coconuts are processed and prepared for distribution. With the trucks safely inside, the coconuts are unloaded and brought into the heart of the factory for further processing. The coconuts are swiftly unloaded and placed onto the conveyor belt, ready to be transported further into the facility. Each batch is carefully examined to ensure the highest quality before it moves to the next phase of processing. The shredded coconut is carefully spread on drying trays, ready for the drying process to remove excess moisture. The shredded coconut enters the drying chamber, where heat will remove any remaining moisture, preparing it for the final steps. The drying process is crucial in removing the moisture, ensuring the coconut is ready for the final stages of production.
Cooling now.
After drying, the coconut is left to cool, ensuring it's perfectly ready for quality checks before packaging. In the final transformation stage, the coconut paste is mixed with other ingredients, enhancing its flavor and texture. Once processed, the coconut paste is collected and moved to the next stage, where it will be further refined. The coconut paste is now refined, achieving the perfect texture for its final product. Once refined, the coconut paste is stored in large tanks, ready for the next steps in its transformation. Once refined, the coconut paste is stored in large tanks, ready for the next steps in its transformation. The processed paste is transferred to refining tanks, where it will be carefully monitored before the final stages of production. It's reaching the target consistency.
Confirm. Initiating the transfer.
Ready for the final cooling stage. Once refined and cooled, the paste is now ready to be packed into containers for distribution. In the laboratory, our coconut products undergo rigorous quality testing to ensure they meet industry standards. The coconut paste's consistency is tested to ensure it meets the required standards for texture and quality. A thorough examination under the microscope ensures the coconut paste is free from any contaminants, guaranteeing its purity. The pH level is carefully monitored to ensure the coconut paste maintains its optimal balance and quality.
The texture is very smooth, but the sweetness is a bit low.
I agree. The coconut flavor is good though. Noted. Let's record that. Smooth and creamy. Yes, mild coconut flavor. Consistency is good. Note that.
Writing it down?
Nutritional testing ensures the coconut paste contains the right balance of vitamins and minerals, confirming its quality. Microbial testing ensures the coconut paste is free from harmful bacteria and pathogens, confirming it's safe for consumption. Once the paste passes all rigorous tests, it's officially approved for the next phase of production. All quality control results are documented and stored, ensuring traceability and consistency in every batch. Once refined and cooled, the paste is now ready to be packed into containers for distribution. Once sealed, the containers are securely closed, ready for the final labeling process before distribution. Each container is carefully sealed and labeled, ready for storage and final distribution. Each container is carefully labeled with product information, ensuring the product is ready for shipment. The final inspection ensures that each labeled container meets quality standards before heading to storage. The finished coconut paste containers are stored and prepared for shipment, ready to be delivered to customers worldwide. Once approved, the coconut paste is carefully stored, ready to be shipped and delivered to customers. The automated packaging system efficiently seals the products, ensuring that they are ready for shipping with precision and speed. The automated sorting system ensures that each package is routed to its correct destination, optimizing the efficiency of the operation. With precision, the robotic arms load each package into shipping containers, ready for dispatch. Each package is carefully labeled with product information, ready for shipment to customers. The final quality check guarantees that only the best products are shipped to customers.
Seal intact, label verified.
The final automated quality check ensures that each product meets the highest standards before leaving the factory. The packaged coconut products are carefully stored, ensuring they're organized and easy to access for dispatch. The products are loaded into shipping containers, ready to be transported to distributors and retailers. The coconut products are loaded onto trucks, ready to be transported to distributors and retailers worldwide. The shipping containers are securely sealed, ensuring that the products remain intact during transit. Each container is securely sealed, ensuring the products are safely transported to their destinations. Each container is labeled with tracking information, ensuring smooth and accurate delivery from the factory to its destination. With the containers loaded, the trucks are now ready to transport the coconut products to their final destinations. The trucks depart, carrying the freshly processed coconut products to distributors and customers worldwide. The trucks leave the factory, carrying freshly processed coconut products to customers and retailers worldwide. From start to finish, this is how coconut products are processed, packaged, and shipped to markets around the world. And this is how modern factories process coconut products from start to finish.